Talat Hussain was a legend of Pakistan. He has worked in several medium of entertainment, and his command of acting, dialogue and arts is significant and will never be dementia. The star has given multiple hits in his career, and he is one of those actors who are counted as institutions in themselves. Talat Hussain's daughter Tazeen Hussain is also an actress, and we recently saw her in shows like Zulm, Jurm, and Let's Try Mohabbat. Talat Hussain was not well for some time now. He had dementia and he was facing problem with his memory. He recently got an infection when he was taken to the hospital, and his daughter requested prayer he come back fine, Alhamdulillah, and spent time with his family. The legends has passed away today, and the sad news was shared by his daughter.